tamén, un ano máis, chega a hora da despedida.
Carai, Sarai, agarda, isto non acabou. Hai que poñerlle un elegante colofón. E que mellor para facelo que as coreografías de quinto e sexto. Quinto bailará un remix, e sexto, perdón, nun tal bisbal. E para rematar esta vez sí, todos xuntos e da mano do noso titón, executaremos un acrobático crosspol chamado Alegría.
Alegría! Que fermosa palabra para decir adeus.
Non exactamente adeus, só ata vindeiro ano.
Ten razón, aínda que non xa non estemos.
Estaremos a gaia de nosos corazóns.
Ata sempre, feliz Nadal e próspero ano.
We were like 10. Don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can be a reason, but don't be impolite. I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times.
Identify where it's coming from. I make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Which is my brother, cause we have the same clothes, home, the stones throw from the creek we used to